So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to turn this lithium battery into lithium hydroxide. To do so, first we need to of course remove the battery and expose its lithium. As you can see here, on the left side we have our lithium. As now we got our lithium metal, now we can start to prepare lithium hydroxide by it. To do so, first we need to add a few ml of water and then we can add our lithium metal into it. Lithium is a very reactive alkaline metal, so it reacts with water to form lithium hydroxide and a lot of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is not so good, so this should be performed somewhere outside. This is an exothermic reaction, so it produces a lot of heat. I just placed a thermometer to keep an eye on the temperature. So let's wait till the completion of the reaction. It should take a couple of minutes. Now the reaction is completely over. So I'll just take out of this remaining housing of the battery and check if we really made some lithium hydroxide or what. Lithium hydroxide is a strong base, but it's very weak compared to sodium and potassium hydroxide. As on the pH paper we can see it's 14, but it contains a lot of impurities, so we need to filter it out. I'm just using a funnel and some cotton to filter it out. After the filtration, the solution looks more clear. Now we need to just evaporate the excess water. After boiling it for a while, you can see a lot of water has evaporated.